Hi guys, welcome to the farm.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
So currently Gordon is off lighting the smoker. We're about to open up some beehives, but I wanted to just show you and share one thing we are about to be doing to our land. So this is a super cool project that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I'm going to put it into production for this fall. I'm walking down our road right now, but let me just show you this. Do you know what you're looking at? Currently, you are looking at our fall sunflower field. Yay! Yep, I am planting sunflowers for the fall. We're gonna be opening it up for photographers for mini sessions and photo sessions and U-Pig, and it's gonna be so much fun. I can't wait to take you on the process to getting this sunflower field built and growing and thriving for the fall. Right to a jaw, Gordon is off lighting this smoker right now. He's already suited up and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and suit up and get ready to open these beehives. One of them is thriving. One of them we just requeened. It might be 3 weeks ago we requeened her. They all kind of run together. Now we have 4 hives going, but we're just a little bit concerned about one of our hives. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what we're doing. We're getting into the time when we're about to have to start feeding again. And the nectar flow is not happening. So just suiting up. Here comes the train. We just opened up this honey super. This is our first time really checking this super because our bees, we just got them this spring and we're now in early, are we considered early summer?
Yeah, July 1st. Today's July 5th.
So we're just gonna check and see how these frames of honey are doing. Alright, so that one's not quite kept all the way, but you can see that is honey, and it's heavy too. I'll pull out some other frames. It's just beating down today, it's so hot. Alright, I can get this out to show you. So there's one side, there's another side. It's not all fully capped, so it's not what I would consider harvestable, but maybe for the fall. working down through that hive. These frames are pretty heavy, even though they're not fully capped. Now the reason why we don't harvest this yet is because we want to leave it for the bees. So you can see some bees are eating it. That keeps them going healthy and strong. When you're beekeeping, you don't want to take every bit of the honey from the bees because they work so hard. You want to leave majority for the bees so they'll continue to work hard. Alright, so I can see that they're all about halfway capped, and so I'm not gonna continue to take any more out, but that lets us know that we should have a honey harvest in fall. Oh, this is so heavy. Take this queen excluder off. Make sure she's not on here. Okay. And now we'll get to looking into the hive. I'm gonna switch with Gordon though, because I'm getting pretty hot. Alright, y'all. Gonna see how heavy this is. Gordon doesn't know how heavy it is. See?
I don't think it's, I don't know. I can't even get it. Wow, oh my gosh.
I told you it was heavy.
That must weigh 70 pounds.
Uh-huh. It's heavy.
Come on, B. I ain't got time. Wow.
That's how y'all know I wasn't just exaggerating about the weight of this box.
Wasn't exaggerating.
It's a hot day.
Yeah, it is hot.
That's what they mean when they say beekeeping is not for the faint of heart.
Yeah, it's pretty brutal out there in gloves and a hat.
And then
Sweating in the sun.
I can only imagine with a full actual suit how
Impossible.
sweaty it would be.
I don't see how you could do it.
I'm dripping sweat just.
And then the sweat starts dripping down your face and it like tickles
Yeah,
too.
and my hair sticks to it.
And
I
the
didn't
hair,
have a hair
yeah.
tie today, but we got it done.
We got it done.
That's why when you buy a small bottle of honey for $8, you know,
Yeah.
beekeepers aren't selling for the money, they're selling for the love of it.
Yeah,
So.
makes you appreciate it for sure.
I think that was about all we're gonna do out here today. What do you think?
Yeah, I'd say that was a good bit of work sweating in the sun with no shade, so.
Yeah, we don't live out at the farm yet, but hopefully one day soon. So we're gonna go home and finish some other work we gotta do at our baby farm. Today is time to go ahead and butcher our spring meat birds. And we're not gonna do a how-to video, we've already done that. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below. It's a start to finish video, and we show you how to do everything there, but we've got 9 birds to process today, and it is 1:45 Sunday afternoon. So we're pretty tired, it's pretty hot out, so let's go ahead and get this done. done.